other side flexes pretty well.
I know. I was worried about the door, like, you know, coming off of the track. They're really big, like tall-wise. I haven't seen them in person very much. They're still new.
They're beautiful.
Yeah, they're really nice.
Got air conditioning back here for when the doors close. It blows air in here.
Oh, okay.
That's beautiful.
Keeps it cool while you're driving too, yeah. And this box was built in the vehicle?
We slid it in.
Slid in?
Slid it in, lifted it up.
Wow. A lot of work.
Yeah, absolutely.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
So what is your name? What's in here, man? Go for it.
My name's Dave. I got 4 18-inch Sundown CV6 18s. Got 2 15Ks from Gately Audio. Gately Audio is 8-channel as well. It's they're 4,000 watt, 500 watts each channel. Okay. Gately Audio is right now making my pillars, 4 of the 3-inch and 4 of the tweeters, and they're doing my doors 4 8-inch, all Gately Audio front end.
Wow.
Gonna be sick. Gonna be sick.
It's crazy for a C-pillar.
Yeah.
I'm sure you can demo all day. You don't have to worry about cooking anything, blowing anything.
You can have
And you got your
people in
family
here.
vehicle, so
Yeah.
yeah.
You can have 5 people in here, just demo away.
Awesome. So what is the electrical side? Like battery all?
I got 400 amp hours of LiPo 4. It just got built for me. It's actually still got the stock alternator in it.
Okay.
It's wild for a C-pillar. But I got 3 kids, man. You got to keep them rolling.
Yeah. Is there a port back there too?
Yeah, 6 order.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You can't see until you look closer.
Yeah, I got to raise it up a little bit. We'll get a little bit lower.
Really? Oh, you want it tuned lower?
It'll stay. It'll just go a little bit lower and then
Yeah.
hopefully keep the bandwidth a little bit more open, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that should always should just open. Maybe it locked.
There you go. Oh, your whole door came off.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I hope that wasn't me.
Clips broke. No, it wasn't you. The clips broke. Here.
Yeah, Dave's gonna have to come over and do this.
Oh, no.
You're stuck right in there.
It's all right.
She really let go this time.
Yeah, the clips broke. This did it to me the other day, too. There we go.
Okay. You can't stop the flex when you're that much loud, dude. Have you done the SPL test on it at all?
Yeah, I did a 157 at 38 hertz.
Wow. Are you happy with it? Wow. Looks like a project when you get home.
Yep. There we go. Like new again.
There you go. It all holds from it clips in place. Is it alright if I open this real quick?
Absolutely. Go ahead.
Nice. Oh, the amp, is that 1 ohm, half ohm? Half, okay.
Yeah, they're strapped.
Okay. Wow. Some outside flex. Can I come in?
Absolutely.
Wow.
Yeah, the outside flex is pretty well.
I know. I was worried about the door, like, you know, coming off of the track or whatever.
I'm pretty sure it was 20.
Mid-20s to 30s or 28 to 55.
55,
Okay.
yeah.
Nice.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Feel like kicking, doesn't feel like Motherfucking real.
That's great for C-pillar, man. Wow, pass box is
Yeah.
brutal.
That's
Woo.
that's one thing everybody says. This is wild for a C-pillar. But I got 3 kids, man. You got to keep them rolling.
Appreciate it. Nice to meet you.
Thank you very much. Good to meet you.
You too.